So good morning, guys. It's like 6 a.m. here, and we didn't get the chance to run an intro video from the house, pero we're going to the farm today.
Kasi natutulog ako. I was sleeping.
Yeah, Praise was sleeping as usual.
Attitude.
We're going to the farm this morning, and yeah,
We're
stay
just going
tuned.
to show you guys the experience day in the farm.
Oh.
Tara!
So guys, nandito na kami sa farm. We're about to start getting the fruits or the food or the crop.
It's harvest time basically,
So we're about to start harvesting.
and this is how we pay tuition.
Yes, this is the business. This is
Very
one of the
important.
family business. So let's go.
So guys, we're here, and this is how we do it. Asan cucumber yan? See the... Yeah, so you get it gently. Boom. Big cucumber. Mga jutay.
Guys, this is how it is. Alam ko maraming cucumber dyan sa Philippines, pero mas maraming dito. And this is like a very big business here in Nigeria, in this part of my state or region. This is how you get it. It's connected here. Tapos if you want to get it, you de-attach it there. You see, this is fresh, and this is how you know it's fresh kasi it's freshly removed from the root. Gets yun, fresh cucumber. You just have to wash it and it's ready to eat. You don't have to cook it, and you don't have to put vinegar, just like Filipinos. Pero I think it's their recipe and it's masarap because I've tasted it. But here we don't really put anything, we just eat it.
Unlucky.
Also guys, that's Praise. That's Praise there. This is the farm. This is just one of them. Maybe one out of 20 farms. Yeah, my mama has something for fucking farming. So guys,
I'm back again.
yeah. That's it. That's part of it.
So guys, we're trying to pack it kasi it has different sizes, and different sizes go into different bags, different shape. The big boys, not the big boys pala. The big cucumbers, they go to the bag, and the small one, they go to a different bag. The small one like your ex though.
So guys, we're done. That's Tupeng, friend of my kuya. And this is Praise. Like, this is a tip. You try cucumber and bread. It's fire. It goes with like gin and juice.
Whoa.
Okay, guys, we know.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and of course like the video. Dog.